How to sign up for TikTok Shop affiliate program. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right. After that, in here, click on TikTok Studio, which is the first option. After you've clicked on TikTok Studio, in here, click on Monetization at the bottom. After you're in the monetization section, you will find TikTok Shop for Creator. Click on it. After you click on it, if you are eligible, it will show you are eligible to apply. Press on Apply at the bottom and you will be able to apply. And this is how to sign up for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.